I'm gonna take a video of it so I can show the dude I got working on the other one. Man, the trunk is not even, well, yeah, it is. I thought the trunk wasn't bad. That's gonna need the upper part of the floor replaced too.
Yeah, the toe panel?
Yeah.
I didn't think of.
You got the grill too?
That I don't know. See, he took a lot of stuff off of before I got it.
Yeah.
I don't have the tires and wheels. He kept them. I made him take those things.
Somebody put a lot of bundle over there.
Yeah, that's the problem with it. I mean, it should have had a roof put on it back when it rolled.
Yeah.
And they didn't do it. I think they put 2 quarter panels in it, but I don't think they put a roof on it.
71 Mark I. Parts car.
He said he didn't own it. It rolled, but I don't know. What he did, PJ. He told his wife he'd marry her if he bought him that car.
And she bought it.
Yep. She did. You would think now he would.
He bought it, she bought it, and he took it, had it taken apart.
Well, they drove it a long time.
Oh.
He's older than I am. I don't think it had 20,000 miles on it when he got it.
The back of these cars are in good shape though. I mean, the quarters are perfect. Actually, the trunk's not even rusted out on this one. Mustang number 2. Yeah, well, I was out here looking at another Mark I and a regular Mustang at a little small shop a friend of mine has. He took it in for repairs, and the guy lives in Oklahoma, and he's about 90 years old, and he's going to back out the project, so 2 Mustangs are going to come up for sale. Pretty decent price, but he's a British car guy, as you can see. I didn't really want to do too big of a video because you know how some people are about filming their stuff. But anyway, that's the Mark I Mustang, and the other one is just a regular Mustang. Both of them are just parts cars, as you see. I don't know if I'm really going to deal with them. I got enough going with my project Mark I at home, which that one has a lot of good parts. So I'll get back with y'all.